Hello friends and fiends, and welcome to another episode of 31 Days of Halloween. Today's video is going to be a lip art inspired by lightning. Since this is such a short video, I'm not going to voice over the entire thing, and I will just preface this by saying that everything I use is either a cream eyeshadow or a powder eyeshadow. And without further ado, enjoy! And that is the finished lip look. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!